check on the goats. Unlock it. Put another clip it too. Alright. So you can see. They're doing alright now. Keep them separate. There you go. Look a little disoriented. Who's in charge? Goats over here, they're eating these palm leaves. They're eating this stuff right here. They're eating palm leaves. You see it's all chewed up down here. They're tearing up the grass. They're doing everything out here. You name it, they're doing it. They're jumpy, renegade. We got Blackie over here. Alright. This is what's going on. And the sheep, it was an experiment. They can't really be together. They have a different diet. Their diet is separate. Okay. So we got the sheep over here. back over. The gate is all the way down there, but so, I gotta get it over. Right. This is how we do it. Rainy. Rambo looks very good, very healthy. Oh my gosh, this guy looks incredible. How you doing, buddy? She stomped her foot and that's it. They took off. Dorpers are like, nope. Still eating. That's the update. Catch you in the next one.